Every day people are building real income online with AI, and most of them never talk about it publicly. But here's the funny part. You don't need to be a coder and you don't need a huge following. You just need to copy a system that is already proven to work. So today, I'm gonna show you 5 business ideas anyone can start as soon as today, and I'm going to show you the exact tools, the exact steps, with the exact websites, and with the exact Claude AI prompts you need to build each one as soon as today. So let's build a business right now. Business idea number 1, AI review websites. This is Jasper, and it's one of the biggest AI writing tools out there. Businesses use it to write blog posts, ads, and marketing copy, and it's got huge audience and following online. This right here is their affiliate page, and it pays you 25% every single month for every customer you send them. And it's for a full year. After 1 year, they stop paying you. And it's going up to 30% if you send them enough people. Now, here's Right Sonic. It does the same thing as Jasper, AI content generation, and on top of that, gives you 20% recurring commissions, but only for 12 months. So if someone pays $40 a month because of you brought them, you're getting $12 of that every single month forever. And here's what nobody talks about. Everyone's already making content about Jasper and Right Sonic because they're the big names. Almost nobody's covering the 50 smaller AI tools paying the exact same commissions. That's where the real opportunity is sitting right now. I know that for a fact because I built my whole career on this exact model. I was a top affiliate marketer, ClickBank Platinum Award winner, and I made real money just sending people to other people's products. I built training on that actually a years ago called Commission Jumpstart. And now this is how you build one for yourself. Open Claude and type this. Give me a list of 15 AI tools with public affiliate programs that pay recurring commissions but have very little review content online. Claude handles you the list, then you type this. Write an honest comprehension or comparison of these 3 tools, whatever tools you decide to, their pricing, and who each one is best for. Take what Claude gives you, paste it into a tool such as Lovable or Base44, and just tell it, build me a simple comparison website using this content. No coding involved, no headaches. Once it's live, go back to each tool's affiliate page, sign up, and drop your affiliate links in your own page. That's it. Number 2, getting paid to build small automations for local businesses. If we go on Fiverr, this is the biggest freelancer marketplace online. Probably you're familiar with it. This is where millions of business owners come to look for this kind of help. So I search for N8N automation. This N8 is an AI automation. And look at this seller. Over 100 reviews, all 5 stars, and he's charging more than $50 to $150 for one automation. Now, here's N8N. It's a completely free tool that lets you connect apps together and automate tasks without writing any code, and it's actually what most of the Fiverr sellers are using behind the scenes. They're basically the middlemen, yet they still use N8N. And this is their workflow library, showing real automations other people have already built. Like this one that automatically follows up with new leads and sorts them out and filters them out. So 2 or 3 of these a week at $100 brings over $1,000 a month, and it gets faster every time you build one because you can literally copy and paste it for each and every client. And here's the process you can follow along at home. Open Claude and type, a dentist office wants every new form submissions to trigger a text message to the office and follow-up email 2 days later if no reply. Map out the exact automation steps and the messages needed. So this sounds complicated, but look, Claude lays out the whole thing for you. Then open N8N and build exactly what Claude mapped out using its drag and drop builder. Once it works, message a local business directly and offer to fix one specific annoying task for a flat price. You can also use Lovable to automate things, which is just prompt based. You don't even have to drag and drop stuff. Business idea number 3. Making digital products with AI and selling them. So if we go on Gumroad, this is the benchmark nowadays for selling digital products. One of the most popular places to sell and to download products. No inventory, no shipping. You just import a file and people buy it instantly. The good part about Gumroad is that they have their own audience. So we can see that Notion templates are listed as one of the top sellers in its category. They're priced between $19 and $79, and it's a prompt pack. People literally sell prompt packs as digital downloads. just a bundle of text files selling for under $10. Now, here's Notion Marketplace, Notion's own official storefront where anyone can list a template and sell it directly to Notion's massive user base. In fact, I personally have bought some of these Notion templates for their own marketplace. Now, if something like this sells for $29 and even 10 people buy it a day, that's over $8,000 a month, and you only had to build it once. But let's be skeptical. Let's say just one person buys it a day. That's still $30 every single day for free. Let me show you how you can build one right now. Open Claude and type this. I want to make a Notion template for new dog owners to track visits, training, and feeding schedules. Lay out every page and section I need. So Claude gives you the full structure, build it inside Notion using that structure. You can actually connect Notion to Claude. Just go to the left sidebar of your Claude, hover over your profile at the very bottom, click your profile, click settings, and then go to connectors at the very bottom, and you can see Claude and other tools. Not Claude, but you can see Notion and other tools. You can literally connect to Claude. Now upload that file to Gumroad, price it between $19 and $49, and post it in Facebook groups where dog owners already hang out, or post it on school.com where other groups of dog owners hang out as well. Now, number 4 business idea: selling one fixed AI service instead of hourly work. So back on Fiverr, here's a gig that doesn't say I do AI stuff. It says one exact thing: I will build you a short AI video that welcomes your new customers. One product, one price, 5 days delivery. And this is system304.com, a free all-in-one tool made for building a simple order pages, funnels, and marketing automations in about 10 minutes. No developers needed. So you can charge $150 to $500 for something this specific. Get even 5 orders a month, and that's a couple of thousands of dollars without a single sales call. This is the process you'd follow. Pick one thing, like welcome video script. Open Claude and type, a skincare brand wants 30-second welcome video script for new customers. Friendly tone, mentions free shipping on the first order. Hit enter. Claude writes the script, feed that into Hygiene to run it into an AI avatar video, then build your order page on system.io where people just pay and answer 3 quick questions before you start. Business idea number 5, making AI ads for online stores. This is more into the dropshipping and e-com community. So if we go to Meta's ads library, a free public tool where anyone can search a brand and see literally every ad they're currently running on Facebook and Instagram. So I searched a small skincare brand. They've been running the same 2 ads for over a month. That's a stale, and they probably have no idea. AI can fix it for them. And back on Fiverr, I searched for UGC Ad Creative AI, and there are sellers charging $200 to $500 a month just to keep brands supplied with fresh AI-made ad content. And the process is very simple. In Claude, type this prompt: write me a 15-second UGC style ad script for a skincare serum. Hook in the first 3 seconds, casual tone, ends with a call to action. So now Claude writes it. You take this script and you paste it into Hygiene again. So an AI avatar is delivering it in front of the camera, or Nano Banana for AI product images, whatever it's the client desires. So package 3 or 4 of these a week and pitch it as a simple monthly retainer to store owners running old ads. You can literally filter ads in the Facebook ads library by date, and you can scroll and see the oldest ads that they've been running. So there you have it, guys. These are 5 real ways people are using to make money with AI: review websites, small business automations, digital products, one fixed AI service, and AI ad content. Every website I showed you is free to use or free to join to a certain degree, and every prompt I gave you, you can copy word for word right now. The tools are ready. The only thing left is you actually doing it. Now, what is your next step from here to get started? Watch the video in the top left or right corner where I'm going to show you how you can pick a niche, a specific idea, and execute on it to create a digital product and make money with it. So click it top left or right corner.